In talking about addition reactions, people will often categorize the addition reactions as oxidations or reductions, or sometimes reactions are classified as neither. They're neither an oxidation nor a reduction. So how do we do this? In general, for an oxidation, we will increase the number of bonds to electronegative atoms. So just keep these ideas in general. For a reduction, we will decrease the number of bonds to electronegative atoms. Or another way to think about this is maybe we'll increase the number of bonds to electropositive atoms. That's a way to think of reduction. For neither oxidation nor reduction, there should be no change. Okay, let's look at some of these. The first reaction we saw, we took an alkene and we added HX, whether that's HBr or HCl or HI. So here we've added a bond to a hydrogen, which is considered an electropositive atom, and a chlorine, an electronegative atom. So addition of HX, hydrohalogenation, this is neither oxidation nor reduction. Let's look at another. If we reacted a molecule with something like Br2 and made the dibromide, well, now we're adding an electronegative atom to one carbon and another electronegative atom to the other. This is an oxidation. Okay, how about something like a hydration, where we add water? So water and like sulfuric acid. I'm only going to show the atoms that we're adding, an H and an OH, electropositive, electronegative. This is a neither. Alkene, let's do hydrogenation. That was hydrogen and palladium on carbon. We went down to the alkane, so we added two hydrogens. That's electropositive, electropositive. This is actually a reduction. So very often when people talk about doing a hydrogenation, they won't say, I'm going to do a hydrogenation of my alkene. They will instead say, I'm going to do a reduction of my alkene. So you kind of get the idea. Let's do one more. Osmium tetroxide makes a diol, makes in particular a syndiol. You know, I could have shown this as an anti-dibromide, but we make the syndiol over here, back over to this side of the part of the slide, electronegative and electronegative, that is an oxidation. So when people discuss these addition reactions, sometimes you'll hear them classify the reactions as oxidations and reductions. And it's important to recognize that these are elements in these addition reactions as well. Many of them qualify as oxidations or reductions.